There was a shocking headline which was released last week on Thursday when you saw that the army boss, Asha Walter Tafbani, Pangwa told out he warned people ahead of the 31st March action, a normal protest. Pangwa zvasenda shockwaves. Zvazozikangwa pangwa kuti kana iri the military, the ZNA or the ZDF, it doesn't take part or respond or release my statements on issues to do with my protest. But the fact that the army boss was ahead addressing the people ahead of the 31st of July protest. The situation is not fine in ruling parties and people who subscribe or like on the bell icon. But truth in the Zimbabwe National Army Commander, Lieutenant General Asha Walter Tafbani, called for calm and uninterrupted economic activity ahead of the 31st July planned mass action, urging Zimbabweans to ensure that the country continues to function normally. Tafbani said, authorities want citizens to go to work peacefully, while shops, borders, and other essential sectors remain operational. His remarks come as opposition parties and civic groups were preparing to demonstrate against controversial constitutional amendments that critics say could extend President Mnangagwa's stay in power. The proposed changes would increase presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years, while also replacing the direct election of the president by voters with a system in which the president would be chosen by parliament. The planned protest have therefore become a major test of Zimbabwe's political temperature, with the organizers demanding constitutional safeguards and accountability, while authorities insisted that peace and normal economic activity must be maintained. Doma developments and Bopangwa in Haradzakuti, the situation in Zimbabwe is not stable. Nagome section medu za fundo enyi matu dipa msuri pechit kwechi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.